We want to have you guys down, one of you, for a 5-day trip on Nahoa. Today's the day. We have patrons on board, and here they are. So we have Patrick driving us through the bridge, so let's hope he doesn't hit it.
Do we have enough room? Seriously?
I'm Ben, that's Ashley. Together, we did the unimaginable. We sold everything and then set off on a mission to sail around the world.
Civilization. See you later.
Oh, it's a marlin.
The Marlin.
Yeah.
28 countries later and over 25,000 nautical miles, we are only halfway around the world.
I have no idea what's gonna happen.
Subscribe to follow the adventure as we finish this lap. Previously on Sailing Nahoa.
We are pregnant.
We didn't think it would work.
It doesn't seem real.
We're 6 months pregnant right now, and we're pretty excited, but we've made a decision to have the baby in Canada.
So with Nahoa securely in a marina in Malaysia, we hopped on a plane to Canada for a doctor's visit. Bought a sweet trailer from 1978 to set up a temporary home base.
Good morning. Wowzers.
Tested that trailer by doing a short road trip through the insanely beautiful place we call home. Then flew back to Malaysia to get ready for our week-long trip with our patrons.
I'll go back up. Let's back up. We want to have you guys down. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4 draws out of this orange bag. The first person drawn is the first right of refusal for a 5-day trip on Nahoa. This time I'm gonna do first, second, third, fourth. So stay tuned. Draws in about 2 seconds flat. I just gotta finish chopping these guys up. Holy shit, there's a shark.
What?
Oh, it's garbage. A little bit of garbage in the water here in Indonesia. So, this is the draw for the person that's gonna come down to Nahoa. Are you ready? Kind of excited. Patrick and Dana, you guys are coming down to the boat. Today's the day. We have patrons on board, and here they are. So welcome aboard Nahoa, Dana and Patrick.
Thank you. We're happy to be here.
Yeah, please come on board.
They're good patrons. They brought beer.
Beer and water.
Oh, more beer. I warned him not to do that. So Patrick and Dana are patrons that came all the way down here to Malaysia to visit us, to go up the Malacca Straits with us. Yeah, they arrived today and Ben said, hey, can you help me with this alternator thing?
Patrick was living on the boat. An hour? Put him to work.
So what happened here? What's this new thing? It looks all fancy.
We got a new alternator going in. It's a 170 amp alternator. It's Patrick calls it the. What do you call
Right
it?
out of Fast and Furious. That
Fast
thing
and
is
Furious.
absolutely. Yeah.
It's pretty
Shiny
looking.
red, blue. Yep.
Jazzing up our Yanmars.
I think she'd be hooked to like a Civic or something.
You think it'll work? How was that spend this?
There's like a whole lot of wires that aren't connected and a whole lot of wires that are connected. So
We only have like 5 parts left over, so I think we're okay. Yeah, fire it up.
Oh shit, here goes.
if we let the smoke out of this, you shut the camera off real fast. Is that how that works or what?
I don't know, I never usually film the bad things, so we'll see.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah, man.
Okay, here we go.
I don't know, actually ask Patrick.
Yeah, we're good. Yep.
No power.
You won't start.
What happened?
The solenoid won't engage. What do you
The
do,
starter
Patrick? This isn't even my fault.
The starter's not hooked up or
We
something.
got a Sparky over here.
Oh, there's wire up down the bottom.
Oh, look at that. It's not connected. That's what happens. So that's the solenoid. Good to go. Minor mistake.
Do you want me to do
It's not
it?
even a mistake. I wouldn't say it's a mistake.
Go baby go button.
Okay, here we go.
13.
You got voltage up there down?
Drawing that.
Oh, we got a +7.
8, 19.
19.
Shit, man, we've never seen 19. You haven't even read
Okay, rev the engine, Ash.
Alright.
It's ramping up a little bit right now.
25!
31. Wow. With Nahoa fixed, we were ready to head out. The next morning, we tossed the dock lines and quickly threw Patrick and Dana into the deep end. The mission was to head up the Straits of Malacca, a narrow stretch of water between Malaysia, Singapore, and Indonesia that serves as one of the busiest shipping lanes in the world. They probably had no idea what lay ahead. This was not going to be an ordinary sunset cruise.
And just like that, we're out of here, man. It's been a good stay at JB. This is, we're into the lingo now, Johor Bahru. And we now call it JB because that's what everyone else calls it. And it's bye to the big city. Big marina, big city. See you later. And we're heading downriver again, under the bridge and out to the Malacca Strait. And if you just put it in standby, you can correct a little bit more. So we have Patrick driving us through the bridge. So let's hope he doesn't hit it because, you know,
Sketchy rhythm.
yeah, you know, a lot of responsibility here.
Do we have enough room?
Seriously? This is sketchy.
I told you. You want to hit the 25?
He's stressing out, man.
Mother of God. I think if this was my own boat, I think we'd be doing like maybe a knot.
We did about a mile on the way
would
through.
have lost the mast, man.
Oh crap, there's all sorts of space up there.
So we've already been through here once before, so we weren't too stressed. But you know, on the way up, it always gets you every time, those damn bridges. You know you have the space, but...
Not like
How's your heartbeat there, Patrick?
This will be a short trip, that's it. All right.
Do you want to get off now?
Yeah. You guys can fly back out of Singapore tomorrow, thank you.
The plan was to attack the straits in several legs. The main concern was avoiding the many fishing vessels that sit on the edge of the traffic separation zones at night. This first leg would take us all the way up to Malacca town, where we would rest for a night before carrying on.
That's the biggest sea snake I've ever seen. No, probably just garbage.
Straits of Malacca are 900 kilometers long or 500 miles, whichever one you like. And it's the main transport between the Pacific and the Indian Ocean. So there's a lot of ships that come through here. It's some crazy amount.
That's crazy, dude.
Okay, that is crazy. He's got me there. It's a pilot boat or some sort of crew change boat right there next to this freighter. And there's a guy in a cage. He's going hauled up, craned up. I'm not sure if that's better than climbing a rope ladder. What do you think? What do you think, dear?
That's crazy. That looks like a bird cage.
Look at him stand on the edge of it. What'd you catch? Sure wasn't a fish this
It's our
time.
first Malacca souvenir. Oh, come on. I think it's caught around the prop. Can you try reverse?
Are you sure about that?
Neutral.
Bad, Ben.
It's around the prop. Time to go in. See what we got. No, neutral.
That was easy.
You can't see anything. Like, just like shit. You can see the shit just flying by. It's gross. I don't even know what it is. Like, it's like algae or something. I need some soap. Some shampoo.
Everything else looks good?
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
What was it stuck on?
I just wrapped around the prop really lightly. It's fine.
Okay. The Nahoa Sailing School is in session. Everyone has to pay attention now, okay? Patrick and Dana have asked us to go over how to trim our sails in different wind directions, okay? So we're gonna talk about the degrees of the wind, what each point of sail is called. Then we're going to talk about how we trim our sails on Nahoa. Kind of just right there. You can see that here, and our main sheet's pulled all the way apart. This is your boat, and you got your sail here. This would be a normal sail, it'd be nice and full, right? Yep. But if a sail is luffing, it could be just bubbling here a little bit, or it could be fluttering a little and then still be full at the end. Never lock it. You don't want to lock it because if something happens, you need to blow that sail to stop the boat. If it's locked, it's just too many extra steps. The winch will hold it. Okay. The winch is way stronger than the clutch.
All day long.
Yeah. So then, okay. I think they got a sweat going. It's like 35 degrees probably. The wind's nice though.
The Malacca Straits were a central meeting point for so many countries because they would come here to trade. And back in the day, you have to think about it, they didn't have sails like these. They had one sail or multiple sails that could only catch wind in one direction, which is directly downwind. So what they did instead is they used the monsoon seasons. When the monsoon season switches, the wind changes 180 degrees. So they could get here, and then when the monsoon season switched, they could get back going directly downwind. So there's a lot of people that came to the Malacca Straits area to trade goods. All these people spoke different languages. There's like 84 languages. There's like thousands of different boats that would come. It was crazy. Back then, everything worked off barter. So you would bring something from your country to trade for something else, right? So in Indonesia, they would come from the Spice Islands and bring spices. The Indians would bring opium. The Siamese brought rice and liquor. That's pretty cool. I'd like to trade with the Siamese. And this whole entire region, everything here was ruled by this one dude, the Sultan. And he charged a 6% tax. He was the motherfucker. He was like the guy that owned all of this, and he was rich.
Is it Halloween yet? It's like Scream. How do they do that?
I don't know. You gotta move the leg.
Holy smokes, has it been an epic couple days as we've headed up the Malacca Straits here. We've got Patrick and Dana on board, and it's been an incredible trip. With 2 new sailors on board. It's been fantastic.
Yeah, we're super grateful to share this with you and to be in the Malacca Straits. What a bizarre place. There's been so much shipping traffic and just so much stuff going on. It's a neat place.
It's been really cool to have crew on board for this too, and patron crew. And Patrick and Dana won the draw, and we are so stoked that they were able to make it down and do this part of our journey with us. It's not for the faint-hearted, and they've been absolute troopers. They're taking a shift on night shift tonight.
And what a cool thing to share with some patrons.
And you too.
Yeah, and you guys.
Thanks for coming along.
The next morning, we anchored off a place called Malacca Town. This was the hub for all the trade back in the 16th century. It was the most important trading port in all of Southeast Asia, so we were curious what it would look like today. Here's a picture of what it looked like in its heyday.
It's like a World Heritage place. They've got lots of old, cool stuff. Apparently all the wooden buildings are gone, but you know, we're still going to check out all the old, cool stuff.
I actually have no idea what's going on. So we found the staging area for this thing. How much is it?
We have 2 packages.
2 packages. You got packages.
With a small package, we start from here, we pass by the aeroplane, we go to Fortress here.
Okay.
Stop here 10 minutes and we return back here. One car, 25 ringgit.
How long?
15 minutes.
15 minutes.
If you want the big round, it's 1 hour. That one 50 ringgit, 50 for 2 person.
I can choose which one?
Yeah, you can choose
Because
each
we
one.
have, what do we have?
One the pony, one the Spider-Man.
Like I wasn't into it. More Hello Kitty. Pikachu. This is a thing here. They have these rides and it's like, what is it, 5, 6, 7, 8 bucks for 15 minutes and you get to drive around town in blaring music. Pretty cool. Romantic, I'd say even.
That one is 50 ringgit per car. For 2 person.
I like this guy. He's got some nice baits going on. Only in Asia, only in Asia. The best part about this is the guys driving them are like pimping. They think they're the bomb. They're serious.
Good day?
It's a fantastic day.
Oh, good.
All sorts of random things going on inside that city.
I'll say.
Man, oh man.
Join us next time as we make the final push up the Malacca Straits and battle squalls, dodge fishing boats, and get stuck in a lightning storm.
Amusement Ward, passenger ship.
But it's been an eventful start to the evening. It's not even started. Whoa! Huge lightning, huge lightning.